Every grain of rice begins its journey here. Quality is decided long before machines begin. Harvest transforms fields into promise. Each bundle carries months of labor. Harvested grain awaits its next move. Transport begins at the field's edge. The journey from soil to system starts moving. Here, harvest meets measurement. Every kilogram is accounted for. Only the right grain moves ahead. Loose harvest becomes controlled cargo. Order prepares grain for distance. Machines now assist the harvest.
Protection ensures purity.
From field to factory, the grain advances. Distance turns harvest into industry.
Every rotation carries value forward.
The landscape begins to change. Grain moves through everyday life. Destination defines the journey.
Control protects consistency.
The factory accepts its raw material. Movement is guided with precision. Accuracy begins before unloading.
Data secures the process. The system prepares to receive.
Positioning ensures safety.
The harvest is revealed.
Machines stand ready to work.
The factory process officially begins. This is where agriculture meets industry. Every entry point is engineered. Raw grain enters a measured system. Gravity begins the transformation. Movement defines production.
Storage balances flow and demand. Control begins before processing. The heart of the operation stands ready.
People power the process.
Design guides every step.
Plans become reality here. The network never rests. Clean air protects the grain. Preparation begins the refinement.
The first purification starts now. Cleaning protects every machine ahead.
Unwanted elements are removed early. Invisible threats are captured. Weight defines separation. Only grain continues forward.
Air completes the first refinement.
Purified grain moves ahead. Uniformity starts with size. Consistency is carefully enforced.
Human eyes validate machines.
Fine-tuning ensures precision.
Clean grain waits its turn. Flow is carefully measured.
The core process approaches.
Transformation is about to begin.
Pressure unlocks the grain. Air divides light from weight.
Nothing is wasted. The grain reveals its core.
Incomplete work is corrected.
Efficiency closes the loop.
Balance maintains flow.
Refinement begins internally.
Layers are gently removed. Byproducts find new purpose.
Uniformity demands repetition.
Texture begins to change. Surface defines perception.
Shine without compromise. The core transformation is complete.
Grading defines market value. Integrity is preserved.
Nothing is discarded.
Precision sorting continues. The best grains move forward.
Technology sharpens accuracy.
Imperfections are rejected instantly. Standards are uncompromising. Consistency is now assured. Uniformity is engineered. Every batch is deliberate. Perfection is refined. Stability ensures shelf life. The final stage approaches. Transformation reaches completion. Automation synchronizes the system. Data guides every decision. Movement adapts in real time.
Logic replaces manual intervention.
Sensors never blink. Balance is continuously corrected. Code commands steal.
Problems are solved instantly.
Consistency is automated.
Automation checks itself. Quality never slows production. Safety is part of intelligence. Cleanliness is programmed. Harmony defines automation. Technology prepares the final touch. Precision defines the finish. Accuracy is measured in grams. Nothing escapes the final look. Only perfection continues. Completion meets control.
The handoff is exact.
The final destination approaches. Packaging takes shape.
Quantity meets containment.
Freshness is locked in.
Standards are enforced automatically.
Safety remains paramount. Traceability is guaranteed. Human care completes the finish.
Quality is verified, not assumed.
Sampling ensures honesty.
Inspection begins at the grain level.
Details reveal the truth.
Even the smallest flaw matters.
Moisture defines shelf life.
Accuracy is confirmed again.
Classification protects standards. Records ensure accountability. Only approved grain moves on. Control includes rejection.
Proof is preserved.
Oversight strengthens trust. Verification is complete.
The final chapter begins. Storage organizes the finished product.
Automation lifts the load.
Human eyes double-check precision.
Movement completes the journey.
Every load is secured.
Volume meets efficiency. Protection preserves quality.
Approval initiates the journey forward.
The finished product begins its distribution.
From factory to market, the journey continues.
Preparation ensures readiness.
Organization sustains efficiency.
Each shipment carries assurance. And this is how modern factories produce rice from start to finish.
Subscribe for more.